Lived, the headphones are more powerful than smartphones. The Apple H1 chip, which features the second-generation AirPods wireless headphones, is comparable in performance to the Apple A4 processor used in the iPhone 4. Each AirPods 2 has one H1 chip, which makes compact headphones twice as productive as an iPhone 4 smartphone. The impressive performance of the AirPods headphones was found out as a result of the analysis and testing conducted by expert Brian Rumley. Each headset, equipped with a system on the H1 processor, is comparable in terms of computational capabilities with a full-fledged iPhone 4 smartphone and its Apple A4 processor. The size of each H1 chip is only 12mm superscript 2. Thanks to him, the AirPods 2 headphones have received increased stability, increased battery life and support for the Hi, Siri team, which allows you to call a voice assistant without pressing buttons.